Here are 5 benefits of eating avocado. 1. Heart health, rich in monounsaturated fats. Avocados help lower bad cholesterol and support cardiovascular health. 2. Nutrient rich, they contain vitamin C, E, K, B6, magnesium, and folate, essential for overall wellness. 3. High in fiber, avocados aid digestion and promote a healthy gut by providing both soluble and insoluble fiber. 4. Eye protection. They're loaded with antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which help maintain good vision. 5. Blood sugar control. The healthy fats and fiber in avocados help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity,